Hey everyone, if you need to install Windows 11 on a new PC or reinstall it on any computer, the first thing you'll need is a bootable USB drive. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create one step by step. No complicated tools, no confusing settings, and it works even if you're starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a Windows 11 USB that's ready to use on any PC. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to Fixsoft. Let's get started. First, we have to download the required files. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Open first website. I will also add this website's link in the description. This is official website of Windows 11. Now scroll down to the bottom. You will see a section, Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Here select Windows 11 from the drop-down. And then click Confirm. Then choose your language. And again click Confirm. Now click 64-bit Download button. An ISO file will start downloading. It's around 7 gigabytes, so it may take some time to download. Now, we will download a small software called Rufus to make our USB bootable. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Open this website. On the website, scroll down to Downloads section. Click on first link to download latest version of Rufus. It's a small tool and downloads quickly. Just wait for ISO file. When the download finishes, open your downloads folder. There are 2 files we downloaded. Now, open Rufus. Now connect a USB drive with your PC. It should be at least 16 gigabytes. Rufus will automatically detect it. Then click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded. Now here choose partition scheme of your PC. Either GPT or MBR. If you don't know about your PC's partition scheme, then go to your Start menu. Here type System Information and open it. Here you will find BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, then choose GPT. If it says Legacy, then choose MBR. Here, you can rename your USB drive if you want. Once everything is set, click Start. Now, this is important part. The first option is to remove Windows 11 system requirements. The second one is helps to remove Microsoft account requirement while installation. If your PC is supported to Windows 11, then choose second option only. You can also remove second option if you have a Microsoft account and you want to use that. Here, add any username you want. And then click OK. It will give a warning that all data on USB drive will erased. Click OK. Now, Rufus will start making your USB bootable. So, wait until it finishes. When it says ready, your Windows 11 bootable USB is complete. Close it. Now, if I open my USB drive, you can see it has successfully converted to Windows 11 bootable USB. And that's how you create a Windows 11 bootable USB. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos.